Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete ZipRecruiter account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Unfortunately, ZipRecruiter doesn't offer the ability to permanently delete or close your account directly through its mobile app. So what you need to do is simply head over and open up the browser, then on the search bar type in ZipRecruiter.ie, and then once done, what you need to do is simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is head over and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then once you're there, what you need to do is simply tap on settings on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on accounts, and once you're inside here, scroll down and you'll find an option that says delete account. Simply tap on that and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully delete your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.